In this guide, we're going to see how to add money in Uniswap. Firstly, you need to use any supported wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Coinbase Wallet. You need also Ethereum to use Uniswap for gas fees and most trades. You can buy crypto directly inside your wallet or transfer from an exchange. Open your wallet's browser, then visit the uniswap.org on desktop or mobile. Click Connect Wallet at the top right and choose your wallet, then approve the connection. Now that your wallet is connected and funded, choose a token to swap or go to the pool section to add liquidity and earn fees. Gas fees are paid in Ethereum, so always keep a bit extra Ethereum in your wallet. And you cannot deposit money into Uniswap. Everything stays in your wallet unless you interact with smart contracts.